Good morning, grade 8.
Good morning, Sir Alexis.
You can now take your seats. Okay, so since today is another day, we are going to have another lesson in Vedic mathematics. One of them is known as vertically and crosswise. This is one of the general multiplication method in Vedic mathematics. So under this vertically and crosswise, the first lesson here is 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So in Vedic mathematics, this 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication is the easier way to multiply bigger numbers. So let's take a look at this first example. 12 times 24. First step for us to find the product here is to align first the two numbers vertically, like this, 12 times 24. And for us to solve this problem, we have to follow the three simple steps. Okay, so number one, or step number one, please read and then show.
Multiply them. Multiply vertical.
Okay, as you can see, those dots represents the number to be multiplied off. The first one is the left part of the numbers, wherein we need to multiply vertically. So that will be our first step. So step number one is 1 times 2, following our step number 1. So we have 1 times 2. What is the answer, Romero?
2.
Okay, that's correct. 2. So that would be 2. Step number 2. Jasmine.
Multiply cross.
Okay, as you can see, this is multiply crosswise. In our given, we need to multiply 1 times 4. And what is 1 times 4? Asebo. Okay, 1 times 4 equals 4. And one more, Asebo. How about 2 times 2? Another 4. So that would be 2 times 2 equals 4. Next, after getting the product of the crosswise, we need to get the sum of them. So we need to add 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4, what is the answer? Fajardo. Okay, this is 8. So I'm meaning to say, this answer in step number 2 will be written beside here. You will write 8. Okay, next. Step number 3. Bonife. Multiply vertically. In this time, we will multiply vertically again, but in the right side of our given. So this will be 2 times 4. And what is 2 times 4, Bonife? Okay, 2 times 4 is 8. So therefore, the answer in step 3 is 8. We will write 8 here. So therefore, 12 times 24, using the simple steps here, is 288. Is that clear? Okay. Next, example number 2. What is 21 times 32? What is the first step? Hamisola.
Multiply vertical.
Multiply vertically. Which one?
2 times 3.
Okay, that's correct. 2 times 3. So 2 times 3, what is the answer? Kamisola.
6.
Okay, that's correct. Next, what is step number 2? Katalan.
Multiply crosswise.
Multiply crosswise. What will be the first number that you need to multiply?
2 times 2.
That's correct. 2 times 2. So what is 2 times 2? Katalan.
4.
Okay, next. Aside from 2 times 2, what else?
1 times 3.
1 times 3. What is 1 times 3?
3.
Okay, that's correct. What will happen next? What is the next step? Sum. After getting the product of the crosswise, what are we going to do next?
Add the product of both 2 times 2 and 1 times.
Okay, that's correct. So we need to get the sum of 4 and 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7. The answer in step number 2 is 7. Oh, I forgot to write number 6 here. So we will write 6 here. And then our answer in step number 2 is 7. We will write 7 here. What is step number 3 or the last step? And then show.
Multiply again vertically with 1 times
Okay, and what is 1 times 2?
2.
Okay, that's correct. 1 times 2 is 2. The answer in step 3 is 2. We need to write 2 beside 7. So therefore, our product, 21 times 32 is 672. Is that clear? Okay.